In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the VLC network error step by step. This is a very common issue when you're trying to stream online media, IPTV links, RTSP cameras, or network streams, and VLC suddenly throws a network error message and refuses to play anything. The good news is that in most cases, this problem is easy to fix if you know exactly where to look. I'll walk you through every fix in a clear and simple way so you can get your stream working again. If you find this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Alright, let's get started. The first and most important thing to check is the network stream URL. Most VLC network errors happen because the link itself is incorrect. Open VLC, go to Media, then open Network Stream, and carefully look at the URL you're using. Make sure the protocol is correct, such as HTTP, HTTPS, RTSP, RTMP, or FTP, depending on the stream you're trying to open. Double-check the IP address or domain name, confirm the port number is correct if one is required, and make sure there are no extra spaces or typos in the link. Even one wrong character can cause VLC to throw a network error, so take your time here. Once you're sure the URL is correct, try playing it again. If the error still appears, move on to the next step. The second fix is to allow VLC through your firewall. Sometimes Windows Firewall or another security tool blocks VLC from accessing the network. To fix this, open the control panel, go to Windows Defender Firewall, and click on Allow an app or feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In the list, find VLC Media Player. Make sure both the private and public checkboxes are enabled. If VLC isn't listed, click Allow another app and add it manually. Once that's done, save the changes, restart VLC, and test the network stream again. This step alone fixes the problem for many users. The third fix is to increase network caching in VLC. Low caching values can cause network streams to fail, especially on slower or unstable connections. In VLC, click on Tools, then Preferences. At the bottom left, set Show Settings to All. Now go to Input and Codecs. Find the network caching option and increase it to 3000 milliseconds. After changing this value, click Save and completely restart VLC. Then try opening the network stream again. Increasing the cache gives VLC more time to buffer data and often resolves network errors. The fourth fix is specifically for RTSP streams. If you're using an RTSP link and keep getting an error message, you may need to force VLC to use TCP instead of UDP. To do this, go to Tools, Preferences, then Input and Codecs. Look for the option that says Use RTP over RTSP, also known as TCP, and set it to Yes. Save the settings and restart VLC. This change makes the stream more stable on many networks, especially when firewalls or routers block UDP traffic. The final step is to test the stream in a browser or another media player. Copy the same network link and try opening it in a web browser or a different player. If it doesn't open anywhere, the link is likely dead or offline, and VLC is not the problem. If it works in another player but not in VLC, then the issue is almost certainly related to VLC settings, and the steps we covered should fix it. By following these fixes in order, you can resolve most VLC network errors quickly and get back to streaming without frustration. And that's it. You've now learned how to fix the VLC network error using simple and effective methods. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone else who might be struggling with VLC. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.